Hey writers, I'm Samantha Panzera with Aspiring Writer Academy, and I teach the tech and marketing side of things here. Real fast, a little bit about me. I got my start back in 2012 when my mom offered Darlene Panzera, started getting a bunch of traditional book contracts. And at the time, I was in college for integrated multimedia, and I was learning web design and Photoshop and video editing and all those fun tech and marketing classes. And so naturally, I helped my mom build an offer website, create bookmarks and other promotional materials. And after I graduated college, I started doing freelance graphic design. So today, I'm super excited to be talking to you about your book's back matter. Now, what is back matter? Back matter in your book is all that stuff that you can include after the end of your story. So you can have it about the offer page with your offer headshot and bio. You can have an email newsletter call to action where you invite your readers to subscribe to your mailing list. You can even have a QR code below that where they can easily sign up. You can have a Dear Reader letter. You can share fun information about your story, some of the fun behind the scenes brainstorming you might have done, fun little fact tidbits or information. You can have a first chapter of your novel and include that to help encourage readers to buy one of your other books. You can also include the book covers and back cover blurbs of all your other stories and use it as like a promotional section to not just lose those readers, but encourage them to join your mailing list, to get to know you as an author a little better and make those kind of connections and possibly purchase your other work. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content in this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get notified each time we come out with future videos. And also, in the link in the description below, be sure to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet. It's filled with a bunch of fill-in-the-blank pages and templates and story examples, all to help you get started on your novel. All right, catch you next time.